Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. Do you miss Arkham project? Yes, do you miss Arkham project? I mean the airdrop. If you miss the airdrop, please don't miss this particular airdrop because you are going to make between 400 to 500 and above in this particular project. And the name of this project is called Reveel, okay? The name of this project is called Reveel, where you can earn at least from 400 to $1,000 doing what I'm going to ask you to do right now. This project is very simple. No, you are not going to invest any money. You are not going to do anything. The only thing you are going to do is just to register and be on their watch list, okay, so that once the airdrop start dropping, you will be among to receive this airdrop. This airdrop is very massive, and I'm going to prove you the reason why I say it's very massive. Okay, we are going to go step by step. It's very simple, and we are not going to waste any of your time here. If this is the first time of following me in this channel, please make sure you smash that subscription, turn on the notification bell, and go to our Telegram group and join in the description below, because that is the place that I will be giving you the updates of latest legit platform that will make you massive income. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is rush to the Telegram group and join us right now, because a lot of updates will be dropping that place. So without wasting much time, so what you are going to do now, I'm going to show you about that project, and you will see the reason why I say that this is massive and you are going to make a lot of money in this airdrop. Everything is free. So let's go. If you have done what I ask you to do right now, so we go to the Twitter. Okay, the first thing I do anytime that I want to participate in any airdrop at all, because some of it is fake, so the first thing I do is to go to Twitter first to check about their Twitter handle, check about their followers. Okay, so that's the another thing you need to do. Anytime you want to participate in airdrop, make sure you check their Twitter handle and know how many followers they have. Okay, as you can see, this is 26.4 thousand followers here. Can you see that? So, and another concrete conclusion that I have that this is legit and it will make us massive money here is if you come to this place, the on-chain payout infrastructure and crypto tool, okay, backed by at Binance Lab. Can you see this? Back at Binance Lab. If you click on this Binance Lab, you can check it here. Can you see this? This is Binance Lab. So this is to tell you that this project is going to make people a lot of money. It's going to make people a lot of money. So I want you to follow me step by step so that you can learn how to register and how to participate in this airdrop. So we come back. As you can see here, let's go. Let me show you something here. This is what they are saying here. We can hardly believe it. We are so excited to show you what we are working on to get sneak peek at some of what will be possible. Check out. Okay, this is the amount of people that participated in V1. Okay, 850k. 850k is the amount of people that participated in V1. So at least by now you will be convinced that you don't even need to ask more questions. Rush in the watch list now and be part of it. And you know what they do is that they do first come first serve. First come first serve. But I will also teach you or show you how you can bypass the first come first serve and be at those that will get it at the first come. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. So let me go. If you want to join this, please make sure you use the link in the description to join. Use the link in the description to join so that you won't enter the wrong site. You will get yourself to the sign up immediately so that you will sign up and so that you can be at the wait list. Okay, so as you can see, this is the V2. The V1 airdrop have done and dusted. So this is the V2 before it will be listed. You can see that coming soon. So that's the reason why you need to come and sign up. Come and sign up. Signing up is very simple. So let's go. Let me show you how you can sign up. You click on sign up. So you will get yourself here R3VL. So you paste your email address here. Okay, I click on my email address. Then here you connect your wallet. Okay, if you check here, you will see rainbow. This is it. If you want to make use of any of it, but I'm going to make use of this MetaMask. So let's go. I click on my MetaMask. I created this MetaMask for this particular airdrop. Okay, you can use your existing wallet. Okay, so I log in. So I log in. Allow it to log in. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I give you legit airdrop here. Any other way to make money, I will be dropping it here in our YouTube. So this is it. After successful creating your own MetaMask, so what you are going to do right now is to click on this place. This place. So you leave it to Airdrop main chain. Okay, you leave it to this one, this particular one, Airdrop main chain. So you leave it here. Then you come here and copy the address. You copy the address. Okay, you can do the same thing with your other wallet. So let's go back. So after you copy your wallet address, so the next thing you are going to do is to make use of this enter manually. Use my enter manually, because that's what I use. You can join through connect wallet, but I use enter manually. So I click on enter manually. Then I paste the address here. Can you see that? Then I click on join now. So allow you to verify. Anti-bot verification. You click on. So you can see you already subscribed. Want to skip position in the queue. So what you are going to do right now, or what I'm going to do right now, is by logging in. I click on this. I click on this OTP. Let me get the OTP. 10 39 35. So as you can see here, you are on the wait list. As you can see here, you are on our wait list. Okay, and they have like, and my position is 45,794. Can you see that? And my point here is 40 points. Okay, and as you can see here, I subscribed to their newsletter. That is the reason why I got extra 10 points here. Can you see that? So after you might have registered, what you need to do is to subscribe to their newsletter, so that you can get extra 10 points. Okay, so let me show you another way that you can jump from this position. So at least you will get back and jump all those people want to skip ahead in line. Invite your friends. That's another way of skipping. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is that to share your link in your Twitter handle, share it in Telegram, share it on WhatsApp, and you can also share it on Facebook, Reddit, share it in LinkedIn, and email. So you know the best one to share it. Okay, so this is your link, this is your referral link, this is mine, this is how it look like. So you copy your referral link. Once you copy your referral link, you can start sharing it with your friends. Okay, so once you keep accumulating points, the position will be changing from this particular position here to the, you will be ahead of those people. You will be ahead of those people by sharing it with your friends. Okay, another way to do it is by sharing this my video, telling your friends to watch it. Okay, tell your friends to watch it, and after they might have watched it, okay, after they might have watched it, you will give them your link to register. Okay, so that they will understand how to register and what the Reveel Airdrop is all about. It's all about making money. Okay. Some people that make millions in crypto, some of them have got all these millions free of charge. How did they do it? By participating on airdrop. By participating on airdrop. One, knowing the legit airdrop to invest their time on. One. Secondly, following those that know how to find it out. Following those people that know how to figure it out. Okay, that's how those people make millions on airdrop. So I want you to be part of it by subscribing to this channel, turning on the notification bell, and also joining our Telegram so that you will be getting updates, because not everything that will be dropping here on our YouTube. So you need to join our Telegram so that you'll be getting update 247. If you have successfully watched this video till this end, congratulations. Your becoming a millionaire is very near. So what you need to do is follow me step by step, and anything that I show you in this channel, just do it. Okay, but before you do anything, you can do your own research. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is whatever that is working for me, I'll come here and show you how I did it. Okay, so I believe that you understand what we are doing here. If you understand this, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also give us a sweet comment. If you have any question, you can ask me. My WhatsApp link is there in the description. You can also ask me in the WhatsApp so that we can rub minds together and make the society a better place to live. Okay, so see you at the top. Bye bye.